Hello, I am Smita Pradhan. I welcome you all to my channel where we discuss everything about pregnancy in a healthy way. So today we'll discuss about nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting, also known as morning sickness, is one of the very common and early pregnancy symptoms. You may notice it in more than 50% of pregnant women feeling nausea and vomiting. And this sensation starts at 6th week and it can last up to 16th week. After that, it slows down. However, some women may feel this sensation throughout their pregnancy. Now, what causes nausea and vomiting? This is very much related to the influence of hormones changes happening in our body during pregnancy. As pregnancy progresses, the level of hormone also increases, specifically the HCG and the progesterone hormone, which changes and enhances the nausea and vomiting. It also triggered by some specific type of foods like spicy food or fried food. And you may feel like some smells which further aggravates the sensations of nausea and vomiting. Some women handle it by themselves and some may find it some difficulties managing with nausea and vomiting. Now let us see how you can manage your pregnancy along with nausea and vomiting. These tips will help you reduce or feel more comfortable along with these sensations. The first and foremost is do not get up from your bed or sitting place immediately. Do not get up with a jerk. Be aware and get up slowly so that you will have control over your own body. Keep some food ready, some cracker or some toast along with you so that you can have them as soon as you get up from bed. This will help you controlling the acidity and further it will control the vomiting early in the morning. Now when this vomiting happens more frequently, you may not feel like eating anything. So to control that, you can have small and frequent meals which are nutritious, because during pregnancy you need nutritious food not just for you, for your baby as well. So eating small and frequent meal will keep you maintain the energy level throughout the day. So do not keep yourself empty stomach. And to help you that, you need to increase your liquid intake. So liquid you can take in the form of water, coconut water, juice or smoothies. In this way you will be able to maintain your liquid level in your body. Now take proper rest. You need to get proper sleep during night and you also need to get some afternoon nap also. It will help you maintain your energy level. Keep yourself active. Do not lie down or sleep throughout the day or just sit at one place continuously. Keeping yourself active will help you manage nausea and vomiting. Now wear loose and comfortable clothes. This will make you feel good. You can avoid the food or the smell which aggravates the sensation of nausea and vomiting. And you can include ginger in your food in the form of ginger tea or ginger candies. These are really helpful managing your nausea and vomiting. Have some activities like light walk or light exercises. You can adopt yoga during your pregnancy. This will help maintaining your energy balance throughout the day. Now, if you are not able to manage by yourself, you can connect with your doctor for some medicines. We need to remember like each pregnancy is unique and different from each other. And nausea and vomiting do not cause any additional problem to your pregnancy or your baby. In fact, at times these are very much assuring for doctors that your hormonal levels are correct and your pregnancy is progressing really well. However, at some situations, this vomiting level is so much that the woman is not able to eat or drink anything and she can vomit throughout the day. This is known as hyperemesis gravidarum. In this situation, the women lose some weight and feel the dehydration. So, to maintain the body nutrition and liquid, you need to connect with your doctor immediately because you need medical assistance in this situation. And doctor will be able to help you suggesting the best for the medicine or what you can do or what they can help to maintain this. Do not take any medicines not prescribed by the doctor. Now, if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified of my upcoming videos. Also, I believe pregnancy is enjoyable when it is healthy and happy. So, to maintain this, I have a mission to reach 1 million women to experience happy and healthy pregnancy. Now for this, I conduct one-on-one consultation where I can guide you during pregnancy or before pregnancy. You can connect with me for this one-on-one consultations. I conduct regular webinars on why we need to prepare for pregnancy and preparing yourself for a healthy pregnancy and to guide you during your pregnancy journey also through holistic way in physical, mental and spiritual transformation. So to be updated about my webinar, you can connect with my Facebook group and my one-on-one consultation also. So all the details I'll mention in the description of this video. Please go through it. So if you find this video helpful, you can share with your friends and relatives whom you feel this video will help. Now take care. Thank you.